Welcome! Great that you are watching this video about Hora Finita at the Dundas Graduate School. I'm one of the PhD coordinators and here to explain you how to use our new PhD monitoring system. Hora Finita replaces PhD track and works almost the same, but the looks are different. At the Dundas Graduate School, we provide a tailor-made training program. The first step is to set up a training and supervision plan, your TSP, with the aim of developing both research and personal skills. Annual meetings, so-called checkpoints, are scheduled to reflect on the project so far and to discuss the future. As shown in this scheme, PhD candidates will typically have 5 checkpoints. The number of checkpoints is dependent on how long your PhD trajectory takes. Part of your job as a PhD candidate is to follow courses to help you in your development. The Dundas Graduate School offers several courses that we consider important for your development. Next to that, you can follow courses, for example, at the Radboud University and Radboud UMC. You can easily log in Hora Finita using your U or C number. On your dashboard, you can find all sorts of information, such as upcoming checkpoints, portfolio information, and emails that have been sent to you. All PhDs are requested to fill out a TSP within the first 3 months of the PhD project. In this plan, you will determine your research objectives, a data management plan, and your personal training program based on existing and desired competences. You can find the template and submit your TSP in Hora Finita. At 3 months in your PhD trajectory, and after that on a yearly basis, you will have to schedule your checkpoint with your supervision team. These checkpoints consist of a questionnaire on the progress over the last period and your future plans. You will also be asked to fill out a confidential supervision questionnaire, which will only be read and acted upon by the PhD coordinator. Every PhD candidate is advised to select courses that help develop your competences. This is usually a smart mix of general, specialized and hands-on courses. In Hora Finita, you can document the courses you took and request credits for the graduate school certificate. Optional in Hora Finita are the decision documents, at which you can determine per chapter or deliverable the upcoming tasks and deadlines. At some point you'll be approaching the end of your PhD trajectory and will be close to submission of your manuscript. Using Hora Finita, it's easy to upload your manuscript and send it to the manuscript committee members. The process after manuscript approval and all further requirements will be distributed once you're ready. We hope this information will help you to get started in Hora Finita and that you will enjoy your PhD trajectory. For any questions, please contact one of us.